Hey guys, welcome back to Trendy Gadget. Today we'll talk about if the RTX 3090 supercards are really coming. Let's head into it. RTX 3090. The GeForce 30 series is a family of graphics processing units produced by NVIDIA that is the successor of the GeForce 20 series of GPUs. RTX is supported via 2nd generation RT cores and 3rd generation Tensor cores, and the cards, which are based on the Ampere architecture. The cards also include hardware-accelerated ray tracing. The Radeon RX 6000 series of GPUs is intended to be a direct competitor to AMD's Radeon RX 6000 series. Shortages of the RTX 30 series cards continue into 2021. In an effort to limit purchases by crypto miners, NVIDIA announced in February that the RTX 3060 cards would be able to neglect algorithms for mining of the Ethereum cryptocurrency and halve the hash rate. Shortly after release, NVIDIA accidentally released a driver update which disabled the detection. In March, TechRadar reported that the shortages would continue until the 3rd quarter of the year, in part blaming a global GDDR6 memory shortage and the card supply being bought out by crypto miners. NVIDIA claims that their gigantic GeForce RTX 3090 graphics card, which costs $1,500, provides the ultimate gaming experience. That's absolutely correct. On the so-called BF GPU, you can even play select games at 8K resolution. If all you do is play video games, you should probably pass on purchasing it, unless you're a deep-pocketed fanatic who doesn't mind spending a lot of money to get the absolute best performance possible. The staggeringly powerful $700 GeForce RTX 3080 is a significantly better value for money for pure gamers than the previous generation. Despite the fact that the RTX 3090 has significantly higher raw horsepower, NVIDIA refers to the RTX 3080 as its flagship gaming GPU. Although the 3090 is a powerful graphics card, it's best suited for professionals who want to save money by generating movies or doing GPU-intensive jobs at an astonishingly quick rate. This is especially the case if you can take use of its enormous 24GB memory capacity. NVIDIA also claims that this card delivers Titan-class performance, and they are not exaggerating when they say that. During numerous content creation activities, the 3090 will completely melt your face, eclipsing both the previous generation RTX Titan and AMD's creator favorite Radeon 7. Oh, and at $1,500, the 3090 is a whole $1,000 less than the price of the RTX Titan that it's intended to replace in every way. Also, make sure to write your thoughts in the comment section.
At the moment, it is the most powerful GPU you can get for gaming.
The RTX 3090 Super. NVIDIA may release an RTX 3090 Super later this year in order to compete with Intel's forthcoming Xe-HPG Alchemist GPU launch in early 2022, which is expected to be released in late 2019. With 10,752 CUDA cores and a greater TDP of 400 watts or more, the RTX 3090 Super is believed to be built on the GA102 core and will be based on it. It is not yet known what the other specs will be.
But what if I told you that NVIDIA has something else up their sleeve to make an even better gaming graphics card?
With its 10,496 CUDA cores, the GeForce RTX 3090, which is based on the GA102 core, is currently NVIDIA's most powerful GPU in the Ampere family. NVIDIA introduced the RTX 3080 Ti graphics card at Computex 2021, which was a near-complete version of the GA102 GPU. It appears that NVIDIA is not finished with the Ampere just yet, and that the RTX 3090 Super could be released later this year at the earliest.
This better GA102 chip should have 2.4% more CUDA cores and improved clock speeds.
However, we have heard that the Lovelace AD102 GPU is being developed by NVIDIA, and that it will not be available until late 2022, with mass production set to begin in the middle of next year. With Intel preparing to debut the Xe-HPG Alchemist in early 2022, it's possible that NVIDIA would attempt to renew the current Ampere portfolio with super enhancements as a stopgap measure. Supercards are likely to give just marginal performance improvements over current SKUs, which is similar to what we experience with Turing generation cards. As of right now, it's unclear whether we'll see a super revamp of Ampere or just a few select SKUs of the brand. NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang believes that GPU availability at reasonable prices would resume by the end of the year, despite the fact that GPU availability at reasonable prices is still a problem. In spite of these facts, the RTX 3090 was a costly graphics card to begin with, and continues to be so. If the rumored RTX 3090 Super does truly materialize, the price of the card will be even higher. What do you think about the RTX 3090 Super? Would you buy it? Let us know in the comment section. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos in the future. Also, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen because I'm sure you'll love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video.